Hey, sorry. Very sorry. Damn. I was created the. Actually, I already created a new video, but I just realized that it's not recorded yet. Oh gosh. Come on. I don't know. Maybe the software. Anyway, okay. I will try to continue quite quick. Oh no, don't erase it. Yeah, well, just re-explain about this one. Okay, look at this one. It's when you see this is an SNR. This is a SNR. It's I will try to reveal. Sorry, there are so many noise as a background because I am at the my parents' house. I'm outside because I cannot smoke inside my house. Anyway, when you see this candle start to going up, then down and getting bigger, and down, getting bigger. Oops, sorry. Here, up and up, getting bigger, and then getting bigger, then beware. It means the power is quite strong because getting bigger, and getting bigger because it's quite strong. It doesn't mean that it will going to reverse to here when they already reach this one. You better wait when you see this kind of movement. But if this candle extreme big and they reach this SNR, so it's highly potential we're going to reverse. Okay, remember this one is big. And number two, this is another movement. One, small, and then big, very big, and then going down. Sorry, not going down. And then create the small one, very small. It means they're throwing their money and throwing the last money. When they reach the SNR, it's highly potential will going to reverse. This is another example of strong up, up, up with almost the same size. So beware, don't trade for reverse. Beware the wait. Okay, and this is the thing: small, big, but not reaching the area. The SNR, sorry, the SNR actually is in here, and then creating small, and then big, very big, and then highly potential will going down. But please look at look at the uh, micro movement inside the candle. Okay. Um, where is number two? This is number two. Remember this one. If you already at the master level, you will know it. This is highly potential also. You know, it's you used to remember SS2. SS2 mean there are no tail. It highly potential will continue their journey. No tail means when if it from one candle and then suddenly move back here, so it means this buyer totally dead. Okay, but again we have to see the S and R inside here. If it's there is a but for this kind of movement, it's up and down and up and down at the same level. Highly potential will keep going to reverse when reach this area in SSS2, as I mentioned before. Okay, another thing related to SS2, SS tailless, SS tailless, SSTL. When you find this kind of from sideways and then move up, move up, move up, or move down, and you see this SSTL, its high potential will continue. But again, don't trade for continue when they already at S and R. Right? This is number two. I will put some knowledge, some knowledge inside one video because I'm happy with your trading progress. Um, so I think I have to share all things that I know just to avoid you get lost your money. So I will try to refill it. This is number three that we have to remember. We remember MMM8 micro, macro and micro movement. We already learned about this micro movement, which is inside the one candle. What happened? This is at level 8 actually, and now we have to see the macro movement. Okay, this is how I trade. I don't create too complicated uh, trend line like this. I only use sorry, I never use this kind of trend line when I'm trading. I only use my box of my cigarette or credit card or ATM card, wherever it's quite strict. Then I will use it to rather than using too many line. It will make you a little bit confused. But it's up to you. But I hope before you pause your trading, I would prefer you to delete all this line. Okay, here's the thing. I only connecting this dot to this dot, and then I can get this one. Why? Because we need this one. This is what I mentioned before, the exhausted the candle here, and then going to reverse. Look at this area. Okay, this is S and R, and this is also respect to this line. It's highly potential it will win for this one. Okay, and also where is another winning? Where is I all if you want to try to learn and understand, you can use all your sorry this line. Oh, sorry guys. There are some actually. Haha, for this line. I already changed before I changed for the last video. I updated this one to this one. Here, look at this one. It tired, exhausted, reverse. I took for this one. I got not that big money. And look at this. Are we going to trade for this one? No, they just jump. We use this one, this line. Oh, it's quite powerful. They're already crossing this line. They are still inside this line. Are we going to reverse for this line? I would prefer for no. Okay, it's easy, right? And then boom, 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 boom. I'm waiting. Boom. Look at this. It's still respected from here to here. Boom. Oh yeah, sorry. I got for this one, for this doji. I got money from this one. And then I keep it. I keep it, and then I can see it respected in here. Huh, good, very good. Respected and then going up. Look, tired. It hits, keep fighting, and boom up in here. Ah, very good. I got a lot of money from here because of this one. This is SBR, support become resistance. This is number one, we support become resistant. This is number two, big red candle. Who, sorry, big red candle. Number three, who has this area, who dominate, okay? And then this line. I'm only using this line. Boom. It's respected also. There are a lot of support from the environment. So I never think. I don't I don't have think too long for this one. And then boom, quite a lot money. Boom. And I'm happy because it suddenly boom moved down after stay quite long in here. Boom. Okay? But oh gosh, we cannot see this. Okay, let's share. Let's check another. Hmm. Don't be too complicated. You can use it. Maybe you will ask how to create the line. Just use this one with this one. Let's say. Look at that. It respected here, and when they come back, it will be respected also in here. So you can take this one. Okay, you better wait. Don't create too much line. Create step by step as you need. Let's say add one more here. Okay, as long as or maybe like this. It's up to you. We don't know. We never know. Look. So, what does that mean? What about why we have to understand the macro movement? This is the macro movement. Macro movement, boom, 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 down here, up, down here, up, down here, up. Means there is a line that's still respected by candles. So you have to understand that one. That respected by candles. That's a macro. It's almost the same with the micro. Look at this. When it started to going up and touch this one, I will enter. Or we have no time to end. Oh gosh, it started to going down. Are we going to trade for this one as tired? Hmm. Um, I doubt it actually. Why? Please, don't be too much trading kind of like this. We have to read. Why? Because it's big candle also. Even though it win, forget it. Even though it's after this become green, just forget it. Don't be uh, too much. Okay. Okay. It's become green. No problem. Take it easy. Just forget about that one. If you still think that, oh, okay, after this one will be like this. No, 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 no. I'm afraid because of this big candle. I'm afraid because it's already crossing this line. Okay. It seems they still have big power. Come on. Think like a pro. Don't think like amateur. Amateur will never think the environment. Okay, even though there is an SNR here. So look at that big candle. It's trying to go down, but the next candle is also quite healthy. There is SNR here, but we don't know how strong this candle. That's why we have M38 micro macro and micro movement at level 8. Actually, it's beyond. or above this CR7 because CR7 is only at level 7. Okay, I'm waiting. No, this is not good example. No. Okay, I'll show you again. Look at this one. When it's created, then look at this one. It exhausted, started to going up. It respected. It seemed they respect this one, and boom, you can trade for this one. And then just leave this line, and then look, look, look at this. Small, bigger, 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 and touch its SNR and then going to reverse. But don't trade for this one because no info yet because the power is quite consistent. Look at this. It look like the SSTL. I think so, but no head. We don't know that. We don't know yet. We better wait. Oh gosh, it's too late already. It's 50. Is this recorded or not? Let me check it. Oh gosh, I wish it recorded. Okay, SSTL also works here. Look. Uh-huh. We better wait. We better wait. Look at this. Big, tired here, and then remember the power is still strong, and then getting bigger, and then getting smaller, and then the last big, I think, for this one. Look, look. There's no key to create the line. Just whatever. You can use any kind of line that you want to create. There's space from here to here. Just let it be. Maybe it will become a very small candle from here to here only. Oh gosh, I doubt it's recorded. Well, let's see. This is another problem of trading. When we are waiting with patience and then it's suddenly going up, suddenly, oh god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And then we will get tired to wait and then easy to jump to the market and then burning your money. Haha, not good. Be patient. This is very good indication that it will going to reverse. But the most powerful is where we wait until this line touch this line. Please remember to read the reaction. Let's see. Is that true? Is that still respected? Okay, let's see another chart. So even though look at this, it tired, move down. Now you can understand when to enter to the market. This is another very good example from me. Look at this, it tired, it's going down, and it's respect to this one, support by this one. It's very good for this one. Okay, please. I know you have some headache with the new technique, because they will think that, because you will think, look at this. This is very good example also. It exhausted and then move the last one, but remember, it's still quite far. You can entry for put from this line, you will win. Okay, I only connect from this dot to this dot, so you can see. That means this line is respected by this line. I got for this one also. Okay. Okay. Next. Am I won? Yes. Very tiny. But now you know what is the macro movement. Look at the big green candle. Is this SS2? No. Ask Sanjay. He knows a lot about the SS2. But look at this. Very good. Exhausted. Going down. For green, it's very good. Exhausted. Going down. Reverse. Okay. You got my point? Look at this. When we are using this uh, SNR, you will get headache. Where is that? Is this here? Not touching here? No? Sorry guys. I give it to you too late, but better late than never. But this is the key. This is the very important for you. But I always using well, the box of cigarette. Never use the line. It's too complicated. All right. What else? What I have to explain? And then we wait with patience. You can play a game. You can play the others. Is there any potential dot that I can connect it? Yes. Mm, but my advice: don't create too many. What was that? Don't create too many lines from the left in here. Please don't. But just start from the existing. Let's say just open like this, the map. Use this one. Use this one. Okay. And look at this. Why they about? Oh, look at this. Ah, it look like it's respected. How do we know that it's respected? Look at the rejection for this one. Boom, up. And this is the fighting, as I mentioned in the last video, the previous video. And then move down, boom. We can get the money for this one. Is this SS2? No way. SS2, remember, SS2 is inside way. Move up, down, something like that. No confirmation. Okay. Low bet. I'm outside. Ah, look at this. Very good. Very good example. Are we going to trade for call? I would prefer no. I will say yes when it come down to here. Ah, look at that. No way. Alright, at least you got my point. I will create another example later with this macro movement. Oh, look at that. I would prefer to wait one more candle. Wait, I wish my battery is enough. Wait another one more candle to come to here. Then we can jump. Ah, this is how to create the line.